हाय फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन आई एम हियर विद सम बिग क्वेश्चंस। आप बताएं कितनी जॉब्स बचेंगी लॉकडाउन के बाद में? क्या लगता है आपको? आई हैड डन ह्यूज एनालिसिस एंड स्मॉल और बिग कंपनीज हैव प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर जॉब्स एंड सैलरीज। कहीं सैलरी कट हो रही है, कहीं जॉब्स जा रही है, कहीं कम जॉब्स जा रही है। दोस्तों, ये न्यूज़ देखते रहने के लिए लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। Friends, this is Neeraj Bharadwaj bringing you the best business news, the latest business news, the news जिसके साथ में आप रिलेट कर सकते हैं अपने आप को और सही डिसीजन ले सकते हैं अपने करियर के बारे में। रिलायंस Q4 net profit falls by 39%. That is rupees 6,348 crore, whereas Jio registers 73% profit. Time is tough for Reliance. Infosys reports 3.1% fall in the net profit to rupees 4,321 crore in Q4. Whereas Alphabet reports 30% rise in the revenue. So Sundar Pichai knows how to make the business, whether in good time or bad time. Infosys to honor all new job offers, suspends promotions and salary hikes. So whatever offer letter they have given, they are going to honor. They are going to keep their employees. But then uh, the promotions and salary hike, I think employees should forget. TCS says it will honor all 40,000 job offers made to the freshers. This year, TCS is going to absorb about 40,000 employees, which is a good sign. But then they are going to continue the offers. However, later hiring they would be careful. Reliance Industries is to raise 53,125 crore through the India's biggest ever right issues. So good opportunity for those who are planning to invest something. Amazon predicts up to $1.5 billion loss in Q2 due to Q4 billion in COVID-19. Snap Xerox drops its $34 billion takeover plan for HP due to COVID-19 crisis. COVID-19 is crazy, affecting the business in a very crazy manner. India has been a good exporter to the computers. So PC shipment fell 8% in Q1 due to the COVID. Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway post record net loss of $50 billion in Q1. Flat or negative growth for IT in 2020 due to COVID-19, as per the ex Infosys CFO. Hindalco shares surged 9% after $2.8 billion LRS deal completion. So somewhere we also have good news among so many bad news. InMobi is the organization headed by one of my relative, Mr. Naveen Tiwari. InMobi to cut senior employee salary by 10% to compensate with stock options. 10 lakh IT staff expected to work from home post lockdown, Infosys co founder. SoftBank International Arms fires 10% of its staff amid COVID-19 crisis. WeWork sues its biggest investor SoftBank after it cancels $3 billion deal. Global smartphone market suffers a largest ever fall in the shipment of Q1. Hiring at Microsoft drops by 46% in a month. Indian advertising industry may lose 5,000 crore due to the COVID-19. Make My Trip cuts salaries of 3,000 employees due to COVID-19. Hindustan Unilever, no job or salary cuts so far, but can't say about the future. So far, they are maintaining. WeWork fires 250 more employees to cut cost, and also because they are not going to get the funds from SoftBank. Look, among the bankers, HDFC is going very strong. So HDFC Bank net profit jumps to 17.7%, that is rupees 6,928 crore in March quarter. Air Canada to temporarily lay off over 15,000 workers, reduce activity by 90%. Look at Disney to stop payment of 1 lakh workers. Friends, I'm sure you liked the update. In our last video, we brought you information about the VUCA world, how to deal with the VUCA situation. Blue Wisdom is bringing various webinars for you on various topics. Stay connected. Our next webinar will be on work from home. Please subscribe, like, and give comment that how do you like this information. Do not forget to subscribe for next episode.